With heart filled with gratitude and humility, I stand before you today as the newly installed Bishop of Davao. This moment is not mine alone, but a grace given to God to our entire local church. On this blessed day, I offer my sincere words of thanks to those who have guided, supported, and prayed for me throughout this sacred journey. First and foremost, I give thanks to Almighty God, who in His infinite mercy has made this event possible. It is He who has called me, strengthened me, and guided me throughout my priestly life. And now into the fullness of episcopal ministry. I entrust my ministry entirely to Him, praying that He may grant me wisdom, courage, and a shepherd's heart as I begin this new mission in the Church. I also invoke the intercessions of our holy patrons, Saint Peter and Saint Augustine. To Saint Peter, patron of the Diocese of Davao, I pray that I may remain firm in faith and faithful to the mission entrusted to me, just as he was called to shepherd the Church. To Saint Augustine, patron of our arch confraternity, I ask for the grace of humility, conversion of heart, and a deep love for God and His people. My profound gratitude goes to my principal consecrator, His Eminence Antonio M. Cardinal Santos, my former Archbishop who welcomed me to the Archdiocese of Manila in 2024 and who has been my mentor throughout my raw priestly life. Your guidance and trust have shaped me more than words can express. I will always remain grateful for your fatherly care. Maraming salamat, Cardinal Santos. My heartfelt thanks as well to all the concelebrating cardinals, bishops, priests, deacons, masters of ceremonies, acolytes, who have come from the various dioceses and archdioceses within the Archconfraternity. Your presence is a powerful reminder that we serve not alone, but as brothers united in one priesthood and one mission. May the Lord who has begun this good work bring it to fulfillment, and may we continue to walk together in faith, hope, and love. Pray for me, Saint Peter and Saint Augustine. Thank you, and may God bless you all.